Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add text behind object in Snapseed. Snapseed does not have a dedicated feature to directly add text behind objects like some advanced photo editing software does, but however, you can create a similar effect by utilizing the double exposure tool. Go ahead and launch open your Snapseed application and make sure that you're inside this main homepage where you'll need to tap on the plus button on the middle of the screen. Select an image you would like to edit from your camera roll or select any images, or you can also click a picture using your device's camera. After you select a picture for yourself, go ahead and tap on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. Now choose the Text option at the bottom and then double tap on the middle of the screen and add in a text by typing it down in the text box. After you are done, click on OK and you will be able to add a text just like that. Now, click on this erasure kind of an icon at the bottom and select your text style by browsing through the menu. Go to the opacity option at the bottom and simply drag the slider in order to adjust and make the text more or less transparent depending upon your preference. Adjust the position, size or orientation of the text and place it somewhere else on a desired location, and finally tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add text behind object on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.